morning, student. Welcome to the class. I am teaching you chapter 6, Soil, Liquid and Gases. In the previous class, I have explained you about the uses of air and the properties of air. Properties of air are: air occupies space, air has weight, air has no color, means air is colorless, and air expands, means air take the full place where it get the place. Now today I am going to explain you about the air arises on heating. Air rises on heating. Children, when air gets heat by sun, it rises up because warm air is lighter than the cool air. This property of air leads to the movement of air. Moving air is called wind. The speed of the wind affects the weather of a place. Means when the wind moves, wherever the place is, where the wind moves and move to other places, the weather of that place become change. It affects the weather of that place. Then the speed of the wind affects the weather of a place. A pleasant and gentle blowing wind is called a breeze. Every strong wind causes storms. Storms causes the destruction to plants, animals and even human beings. The sun heats up the land. The air near the land also gets heated up. Hot air being lighter, so because it is lighter, it rises up. Cold air from the surrounding take the place. Means when the hot air goes up, it rises up. The air which is near to the from where the hot air rises up, the cool air which is surrounding is take up the place of the hot air. Then the land heats up more quickly than the water, so it is also loses heat quickly as a result of sea and land breeze. So I am not going to explain you about the sea breeze. What is sea breeze is? Now you see the diagram over here. I am making a rough diagram for you all. See, this is sea and this is land. Sun heats both equally, okay, but land heat up more fast than the sea, and that is why from the sea cool airs move towards the land. As they reaches towards the land, and land air is get heated up more fast, so it rises up. Land air is heated more quickly, that is why they rises up. So from the sea, cool airs move towards the land. So the result is the wind blows from the sea towards the land in daytime is known as sea breeze. Land breeze. The second one is land breeze. We are going to make a rough diagram of land breeze also. Sea, land, pronounced children, at night. Sea breeze is done in the daytime. Land breeze is in the night. At night the land cool faster, because whatever heated up fast is also cool fast. So land cools faster than the sea. The air above the sea water is warmer than the air above the land. So warm air of the sea rises up, and the warm air rises up, and the cool air from the land rushes towards the sea at night. The air above the land moves toward the sea. So this is known as land breeze. The third one is monsoon breeze. Monsoon breeze. What do you mean by monsoon breeze? In India or the places near to the equator, due to high temperature in summer, the lands get heated as compared to the oceans. The air over the land breeze become hot and rises up. This results make the wind from oceans towards the land. These winds carry cloud also and are known as monsoon breeze. Monsoon winds or monsoon breeze brings rain in all parts of India. Next topic in your book is the role of ventilators. Dear children, ventilation is mainly used to control indoor air quality by diluting and displacing indoor pollutants. It can also be used to control indoor temperature, humidity and air motions to benefit the thermal comfort. Means they benefit us, satisfactions and with other aspects of indoor environment. The general purpose of ventilation in building is to provide healthy air from breathing. For breathing. There are four purposes of ventilation. First is to provide a continuous supply of fresh air, fresh outside air. Second, maintain temperature and humidity. Third, reduce potential fire. And fourth, explosion hazard. Ventilations work on the principle of hot air expanding and rising up. The air we breathe out is warm. So when too many people are there in a room and they breathe, the warm air comes in the room, or you can say room becomes warm. The warm air rises up, as you all know, because it is lighter. It leaves the room through ventilators which are fitted up on the rooms or from the exhaust fan, which is also fitted up in the room. The cool air rushes from the windows and take the place of the hot air. In this way, exchange of air take place and rooms stay fresh and cool. Thank you, students.